Isa pong Pinay-Canadian ang nakapasok sa diving team ng isang kilalang universidad sa Amerika. Pinaghahandaan na niya ang mga kompetisyon para maipakita ang galing ng isang Filipino-Canadian. Narito ang report. 4 na taong gulang pa lamang si Ayla Angeles, nakahiligan na niya ang diving at mula noon ito ang sports na pinagsumikapan ng Pinay at British Canadian mula sa Edmonton.
I really like the adrenaline rush because some people might be scared of the heights or flipping and all that stuff, but I kind of find it exciting. And yeah, I like that all the pressure's on myself. And so I'm not relying on everyone else or feel like I'm letting a whole team down. I'm letting myself down. So I love that.
Nasa 8 ulit na siyang lumaban sa mga national competition at naging atleta na rin sa ilang world trials. Ngayong Agosto, dadalhin naman ni Angeles ang kanyang talento sa Amerika bilang miyembro ng diving team ng Fresno State University sa California.
I think it's amazing. I like to see everyone looking out. Lots of the Filipinos are there supporting me, and I feel like I make the community proud, especially my grandpa, my lolo, like everyone's watching and cheering me on, and I think it's amazing.
Mukha lamang anyang madali ang diving pero tulad ng ibang sports, mahirap din. Bilang incoming rookie sa Fresno State Diving Team, pagsusumikapan daw niyang maipakita ang galing ng isang Pinay-Canadian.
Every single thing you do is super important on how you execute the dive, or even just if you're doing 2.5 flips, you have to count how many flips you're doing. And we do this thing called spotting. So you have to look at your place and you have to do this all in a span of 2 seconds, 3 seconds. So it can be challenging.
Malaking hamon din sa Pinay na siya'y mapapalayo sa kanyang pamilya pero excited na daw siya sa mga labang kanyang haharapin sa Amerika lalo't malaki ang suportang ipinapakita ng Filipino community sa kanyang larangan.
When I went down to Fresno State, I found out my coach is also half Filipino. So that was super exciting and I was overjoyed. I was actually super excited that we got to connect on that level. And there's also lots of international students there. There's some girls from Mexico, England. So I think it's just we're all gonna come together and we're all gonna become one. So
Sanaan niya ang pagkakapili sa kanya na maging bahagi ng diving team sa Fresno ay magbukas ng marami pang pintuan para sa mga kabataang Filipino-Canadians na pasukin rin ang mundo ng diving.
they just need to believe in themselves and keep working hard. Diving is a very hard sport, but as long as you put in the work and time and you're willing to do whatever it takes, I think anyone could do it, especially Filipinos. I know their mindset is extremely hardworking and they could do anything.
Susubukan anya ni Angeles na maging matagumpay sa panibagong yugto ng kanyang buhay para na rin sa ikaaangat hindi lamang ng kanyang sarili kundi ng buong Filipino community dito sa Canada.